So today in this video, I'll be reviewing LIC Cancer Cover Policy. So let us see introduction. So LIC Cancer Cover Policy is basically a non-linked, regular premium paying health insurance policy which provides fixed benefit in case the policyholder is diagnosed with two stages of cancer, which is early and major stage of cancer. So as you all know that it is a non-linked insurance policy, so it means that non-linked policies are basically not linked with share market. So in this case you can say that these policies are safer. And in this policy there are basically two benefit options which the policyholder can choose at the time of purchasing this policy. So the first benefit option is level sum insured. So in this, the basic sum insured will remain unchanged throughout the policy term. So the second option is increasing sum insured. So in this case, the sum insured will increase by 10% of basic sum insured each year for the first 5 years, starting from the first policy anniversary or until the diagnosis of first event of cancer. So whichever is earlier, then this will happen. So let us see the benefits of this policy. So benefits of the policy will be stated in two stages. So as I mentioned earlier, there are two stages of cancer which is covered in this policy. So let us see benefits according to these two stages. So in first stage, the first stage is early stage cancer. So in this stage, benefits payable on first diagnosis of any one of the specified stage cancer. So benefit will be payable if any of the specified early stage cancer happens. So benefit will be paid in terms of, so lump sum benefit will be 25% of the applicable sum insured, and there will be premium waiver benefit. In this case, the premium for the next 3 policy year or balance policy term, whichever is lower, shall be waived off from the policy anniversary. So next stage is major stage cancer. So in this stage cancer, so the benefit will be payable in lump sum. There will be 100% of applicable sum insured less any previously paid claims in respect of early stage of cancer. Then second benefit in major stage cancer is income benefit. So in addition to the lump sum benefit which is mentioned above, the income benefit of 1% of the applicable sum insured will be payable. And in premium waiver benefit, so if the policyholder is diagnosed with a major stage cancer, then all the future premiums will be waived off from the next policy year. Documents required for purchasing the policy. So documents required for purchasing the policy in this first is that identity proof. So any government recognized identity proof such as Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter card, etc. So in bank details, cancel check will be required. In income proof, salary slip of last 3 months or CA certified balance sheet. In age proof, as we all know, we can give school leaving certificate, birth certificate, etc. For residential proof, we need to provide electricity bill or phone bill or registered rent agreement. And in terms of nominee details, we need to provide ID card or electricity, a phone bill or residential proof if it is asked. So eligibility criteria. So what does this mean? So it means that who all are eligible to take this policy. So let us see who all can take this policy. So as you all can see in the screen that minimum sum insured in this policy is rupees 10 lakh, whereas maximum sum insured is 50 lakh. Minimum entry age is 20 years which should be completed, and maximum entry age is 65 years which should be nearest birthday. Minimum cover ceasing age is 50 years and maximum cover ceasing age is 75 years. Minimum and maximum policy term is 10 years and 30 years. Minimum premium which a policy holder has to pay is 2,400 per annum. And mode of payment, it can be paid half yearly or yearly. So let us see exclusions under this policy. So it is very much important that before purchasing the policy, we should really see that what all are not covered in this policy. So many a times it happens that we take certain policies by if our friends have suggested us, or when we generally trust the agent so much that we don't really read about all these exclusions. So it is very much advised that we all should read what all are excluded from this policy. So first is any pre-existing conditions, any pre-existing disease is excluded from the policy. So this will not be covered in this policy. So the next exclusion is if the diagnosis of cancer was made within 180 days from the date of the policy. So this means that if the policyholder has been diagnosed with cancer within 180 days of taking the policy, so you can say that 180 day is a waiting period in this policy. So next exclusion is that if the policyholder has suffered any kind of directly or indirectly medical condition related to AIDS and HIV, as well as any medical condition related to donation of any of the policy holder organs, then any medical condition arising from directly or indirectly by alcohol or drugs. So these all are excluded from the policy. So frequently asked questions in this policy. So first question is that is there any waiting period? So as I mentioned earlier in the slide that yes, the waiting period is of 180 days. So within these days, if the policyholder is diagnosed with the cancer, then this cancer will not be covered in this policy. No benefit will be payable if the policyholder is diagnosed with cancer within these 180 days of taking the policy. Next question is survival period. So survival period means that whether the policyholder will survive even after diagnosis of the cancer. So there is a survival period of 7 days if the policyholder is diagnosed with any early or major stage cancer. So there will be no benefit payable if the policyholder doesn't survive this 7 days of survival period. Next question is when can the policyholder pay the premium? So policyholder can pay the premium regularly during the term, which I mentioned earlier, it is yearly or half yearly. Next question is can the policy be revived if it has lapsed? Yes. The lapsed policy can be revived within a period of 2 consecutive years from the date of first unpaid premium. Is there any paid up value, surrender value or loan facility against this policy? So as you all know that it is a cancer policy, so this will not have any kind of paid up value, surrender value nor any kind of loan facility. Next question is can I return the policy if I am not satisfied with the terms and condition? Yes, the policyholder can return the policy if the policyholder is not satisfied with the terms and condition of the policy. So this period is known as free look period. So this free look period will start from the date of taking the policy. So this free look period is of 15 days. So from the start of taking the policy till the 15th day. So our rating for this policy, so basically we are giving 3 stars out of 5. Why? Because this policy is covering 2 stages of cancer, which is early and major stage of cancer, that is last stage of cancer. So if the policy holder is in middle stage of cancer, then that will not be covered in this policy, then the policy holder will not be getting any benefit. So the reason of giving 3 star for this policy is also because of the brand name, which is LIC, which is the most trusted brand in name of insurance. So and next reason is that fixed benefits. So even after the policy holder has survived the waiting period, so policy holder will get the benefit on early and major stage of cancer. Why to buy this policy with Jago Investor Guidance? So in insurance field, we basically don't understand certain concepts or certain clauses. So it is very much advised, it is very much recommended that we need someone's advice to take the correct policy which will really suit what is best for us. So yes, in Jago Investor, we do extensive research on various policies available in the market. So we are not basically biased for certain policies. We are not like that. We basically recommend what is the best policy for the person and what they really want. We recommend that policy. We are not at all biased in any kind of policy, in any kind of insurance company. We are neutral, so whatever a person needs, whatever will suit the person, we'll recommend that policy to the person. And also because our guidance is free of cost, without any hidden charges, so you can be rest assured. You can really call us up. You can ask any detail regarding any policy. We are here to really answer all your queries regarding the policy and help you with documentation and also of buying the policy. We have given very vast experience by helping more than 3,000 plus investors in buying insurance policy with us. So you can be rest assured. So if you want to contact us in documentation, buying, or knowing any kind of query for any policy, then you can mail us at help@jagoinvest.com. You can call us from Monday to Friday between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can also WhatsApp us on this number. And below in the description, I have left a link. So please click on that link and fill up your details. Our experienced team members will get back to you within 24 hours on working days, and your queries will be solved. So thank you very much.